All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, I kind of forgot what I did, but it wasn't that much. Just working on finishing this piping on one of the floors. Like I told you guys last week, there was some walls missing, but they finally got those in. So finally got to finish the piping for the stairwell lighting, and then also pulled the wire for that, and then also made up those boxes with the ground wires and tying in the lights, and then connecting those to the hot wires that are already downstairs with the lights already on. So I just tied those in, and then everything came on. This morning went ahead and finished the feeder wires, just stubbing those up to the 6th floor for the ones that needed to go up there, and then strapping the 5th floor down except for the one above the panel, and then had to rotohammer some of the concrete out of the holes this morning. Actually, Nick did that, but some of the little rock chips or concrete fell on the floor, and there was a big old hussy fit about cleaning that up from the general contractors or the superintendent. So they were getting all pissed off because there was one little extra rock or whatever that bounced across the room, and they weren't having it. So I got a little earful about that. It was more than one, to be fair, but I did miss one spot also. But yeah, that's about it. This is another example. I had to grind out another one of the top plates. And then this is down in the stairwell that the lights were already on, where we tied the lights in to the power. So yeah, there was a ground wire missing in one of those, ground pigtail, so just added that and then tied it all together. But I think that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video with the things that I did. I'm pretty sure that was it, unless I forgot something. So just the stairwell lighting, and then the feeders up on 5 and 6. Alright, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here hopefully soon in the next video tomorrow. And if there's anything else you want to know, check the description, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Also think about changing the name of my YouTube channel, just so something more electrical. That's been a thought that's been passed around in my mind for a while. I might make a separate video about that, but I just want to give you guys a heads up. So let me know your thoughts. Should I do it? Should I not? Is it too late? Am I the Corvette kid forever? So let me know. Basically the channel URL would stay the same because I already picked that. I don't think you can change that, but basically it's just basically the name above my videos or whatnot. So it'd just say whatever I picked it to be. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea, not a good idea. Am I too far established in my YouTube career or whatnot? Let me know what you guys think, and I think that should do it. Stop over at the house, so I will be editing that next, so stay on the lookout for that, and that should do it. Thanks, guys. Peace out.